This is another Smith's Bakelite wall clock, probably from the 1950s, 30 centimetre dial. As always, we've kept the patina as original as possible. Even the counterweight on the minute hand, the lead is revealed, the paint's come off there, but we want the clocks to look like it did, or like it has done for the last 20-30 years. This is a winder. This was a mechanical clock. We like to keep the winder, doesn't do anything, but it's there for originality and sort of authenticity. We use a lot of 3D printing nowadays, so this bracket's been 3D printed to hold what was the winder rod, which would have gone to the old movement. That's the new Quartz movement. This clock's currently for sale actually, but we've got a little tiny bit of damage here where somebody's trying to hang it on the wall without getting it a screw on the bracket. They've tried to hang it off the top of the Bakelite, but other than that, it's a lovely clock. If you've got a clock like this that you want to be converted, or if it's a mains powered one or mechanical one, then we can do it and keep it looking original. Please get in touch. Thank you.